Hello everyone. Today I am going to share a topic about what are some common mistakes to avoid in married life. 1. Lack of communication. Avoiding important discussions can lead to misunderstandings. 2. Taking each other for granted. Always show appreciation and gratitude. 3. Ignoring financial planning. Unclear budgeting and spending can cause stress. 4. Neglecting emotional intimacy. Prioritizing work or other responsibilities over your relationship can create distance. 5. Unrealistic expectations. Expecting perfection instead of embracing each other's flaws. 6. Poor conflict resolution. Avoiding or escalating arguments rather than addressing issues calmly. 7. Not maintaining individuality. Losing personal interests and friendships outside the marriage. 8. Lack of quality time. Failing to make time for bonding and shared experiences. 9. Over-involvement from family. Letting external opinions negatively influence your marriage. 10. Avoiding compromise. A successful marriage requires mutual effort and understanding. Marriage is a learning experience, and avoiding these mistakes can help build a strong, happy partnership. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.